everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio to explore and learn software tools. Let's get started. First, I'm opening Microsoft Word. Now I want to set the first page as portrait and the second page as landscape. Let's see how to do that. Next, I open Chrome and search for Google AI Studio. Here I click on Stream Runtime to begin sharing. Now I select Share Screen and choose the Word window to demonstrate the changes. Now I speech and tell what I want to do. Hello, can you see my screen?
Okay, I see the Microsoft Word document that you're showing me. There is a blinking cursor in the blank page. Is there anything specific that you would like me to do?
Hey, I want to keep first page as a portrait and second page as landscape. How I do it.
So you'd like to keep the first page in portrait orientation and the second page in landscape orientation. You're going to do it, or would you like me to assist you?
Yes, I want to do it.
Okay, I understand you would like me to assist you with setting the page orientations. To start, could you go to the Layout tab in the Word ribbon?
Yes, then.
Okay, now that you are in the Layout tab, please click on the Breaks button. It's in the Page Setup group. Great. Now in the Breaks drop-down menu, select Next Page under the Section Breaks section. This will insert a section.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now to change the second page to landscape, select the second page and then click on Orientation in the Page Setup group. Then click on Landscape.
And that's it. You've just learned how to use Google AI Studio to explore software features easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.